Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload picture on Google Drive. First open up Google Drive and after that you will see this page. If you want to upload picture on your Google Drive, then just follow these steps. First click on this plus icon, as you can see, click on it and then just click on upload and it will take you this page. Just simply click on gallery and from here you can access your gallery. And so now, as you can see, I have on video and few picture. Let's say I want to upload this picture. So if I just click on it and then I will just click on it again and it will start uploading. If I scroll down, as you can see, the picture already uploaded. So now if I want to find this picture in my Google Drive, I will just click on files and all uploaded files, videos, picture will be appear on this section, file section. So as you can see, I just uploaded this picture on my Google Drive. If you find this video useful, then please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.